We are going directly into your web browser to fix an issue where Google Gemini isn't saving your chat history. Go to gemini.google.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Look over at the left-hand menu pane. If you see a notification stating that your app's activity is off, it means Gemini is deleting your conversations and cannot learn from your preferences. To fix this, look down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and click directly on the button labeled Activity. This opens up a new settings window. Right at the very top, you will see a large banner showing that the feature is currently deactivated. Click straight onto that banner. A new window will pop up explaining how Google collects and uses your data. Scroll down through this text to the bottom right and click the blue button that says Turn On. Now, the important thing is to understand the trade-off here. By enabling this setting, you allow Google to save your prompts, responses, and device location to your Google account for up to 18 months. This lets Gemini give you a much more personalized experience and remember your previous chat contexts. If you choose to leave it off, you maintain your privacy, but you lose the ability to see or continue your past conversations once you close the window. After clicking Turn On, a confirmation screen will appear showing that the setting has successfully updated. Click the Got It button at the bottom to finalize everything. Look back at the main screen, and you will notice the status now shows as active, and your past chat threads will start appearing in the sidebar. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.